Sterilizing the parts and setup for the S9 pump is almost exactly the same as our S1 and S2 models. So for troubleshooting, sanitizing, and support, please visit the video on our S2 and S1 models. The difference with the S9, you will want to snap your power cord into place until you hear a loud click. Then plug your pump in at the top of the pump. To know that your pump is charging, the battery in the right-hand corner will be flashing. You will then turn the on button on. It will begin in expression mode. You will push the 3 waves button to put it into massage mode, where you can adjust your vacuum from 1 all the way to 5. Once you get your letdown, you will turn off the massage button, where it will go into expression. In expression, you can adjust the vacuum from level 1 all the way to level 10. Once you have finished your pumping cycle, you can press the off button. You will attach your tube at the port here. If you'd like to double pump, remove the cap, and then you have 2 ports to hook up both of your tubes. You will receive 2 collection kits. For setup and sterilizing, please visit our video on our S2 and S1 models.